Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Fusion brakes full guide. Raise the car with a jack and secure it on stands, then remove the wheel and expose the brake assembly. I will walk you through removing the caliper, replacing pads and rotors if needed, and reassembling the components while checking torque specs. Stay attentive to safety, clean parts, and test brakes before driving. Start by laying out all tools and parts so nothing is missing during the job. You will need a jack stands, lug wrench, sockets, torque wrench, C-clamp, brake cleaner, new pads, and rotors if required. Inspect hardware and replace any corroded clips or pins to prevent issues. I will describe how to compress the caliper piston safely, prevent brake fluid overflow, and bleed if necessary for a firm pedal feel. If you are finding this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes shop cleanup effortless with voice control and smart mapping, so you spend less time sweeping and more time wrenching. It picks up metal shavings and dust quickly, which is perfect after brake work. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin with loosening lug nuts, lifting the car, and removing the wheel to access the brake assembly. Unbolt the caliper and suspend it so the hose is not stressed, then remove pads and inspect the rotor and hardware. Clean mating surfaces with brake cleaner, refit or replace rotors, and install new pads with correct orientation. Reassemble caliper, torque bolts to spec, pump the brake pedal to set pistons, and road test gently to confirm performance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.